Write an equation of the line that satisfies the given conditions. Give the equation A in slope-intercept form and B in standard form. The slope is -2/5 and the y-intercept is the point 0, 3. We'll start with slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-coordinate of the y-intercept. In this case, the slope is -2/5, so m is equal to -2/5, and the y-intercept is 0, 3, and so b is equal to 3. So the equation that satisfies these conditions in slope-intercept form is y equals -2/5 x plus 3. We're also asked to write this equation in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. To do that, we will first clear the fractions by multiplying the slope-intercept form by 5 on both sides. We get 5y equals -2x plus 15, and then we'll add 2x to both sides to get 2x plus 5y is equal to 15.